class 70 single phase to single phase step down midpoint cycloconverter. Now during positive half cycle, when A is positive with respect to B, okay, fire T1. See, during positive half cycle, if you fire T1, you will get like this. Okay, A will be positive with respect to B as well as with respect to C. So you will get like this, positive wave. During negative half cycle of the supply, B will be positive with respect to A and C. Fire P2, you will get like this. So this positive half cycle is now load's positive half cycle, means D is positive with respect to C. During negative half cycle also, that is now converted into positive half cycle. See, this is fully rectifier, you can see this one and this one. Okay, so you can do this at any number of times. Here we have done 2 times, 3 times during half cycle 1, 2 and 3. P1, P2 and P1 will conduct now. Okay, then you will get positive, positive, positive at alpha, alpha, alpha. Next, during the fourth half cycle, that is second negative half cycle, you fire the N part, that is N1. During the fourth half cycle, this will be in the positive. So fire N1. Okay, here that is fourth one. Fire N2. See, during fourth one, this will be positive. When this is positive, fire N1. This is positive means C will be positive. So fire N1, you will get like this. Next positive cycle, fire N2. This will be positive with respect to this during positive cycle. So fire N2. So when you fire N1 or N2, load voltage and load current will be opposite, means negative. So you can do this and you will get any you can do, and hence now you see 3 cycles of supply voltage is now has become 1 cycle of load voltage. So we have changed the frequency. Frequency has reduced to 1/3, and even the voltage also has reduced, has changed. You see, you can increase the alpha, the output voltage will be lesser. So by varying the alpha, voltage can be varied. By selecting number of cycles, half cycles to one side, you can vary the frequency.